Good morning guys, welcome to another episode of Easy Does It. Well, this morning I woke up and realised there's a bit of a washout in my sprinkler system. So as you can see, I'm just digging through to find the problem, and this actually happened the other day, and I realised there was a cracked polypipe down there, right? Okay, so that's pretty much the part where the crack is. So I've got a sharp knife and basically cut it out. Yeah, so I wouldn't use any type of tape or silicone. The best way is to remove the piece and replace it with a connector and some clips. Be very careful where you place your hands. Don't put them in the way of the knife because you might slip and you might lose a finger. As you can see, there's a little crack there, so we'll remove the old piece. And we'll make sure the new piece matches up. 19mm poly. Measure roughly what size to cut it. Once again, be careful not to cut your fingers. So you'll need the 19mm little clips. You'll need 4 of those clips, 2 on each side, to be able to fit the connector correctly. So I used a set of small vice grips that I had handy, and they seem to do the job. So basically you just crimp them to the polypipe. Make sure it's nice and tight, as tight as you can get it. Then you basically put the other connector in the other side of the little piece of poly, your replacement poly. And then basically crimp. Crimp the other connector. Check if they're on as tight as you possibly can put them on. And that's it, ready to go in. Okay, so you get your 19mm ring, put it on the existing polypipe where you plan to, 1 on each side, where you plan to fit the connector. And you basically just click the connector in, push it in. It does take a little bit of force. You push the one side in, then push the other side in. and that seems to fit quite snug. Maybe I cut it a little bit short, but that's okay. There's enough space for the connector to crimp on, so that's basically all you need. As you can see, I'm trying to wedge it back to give it more space for the clip to actually get on. So once you have the clips where you want them in place, grab your vice grips again, or set of pliers, whatever you choose. Hello. And yeah, tighten them back up. Wow, look at those guns. So now what's left is to clean up the mess, make everything look pretty again and the way it was. Yeah, thanks for watching another episode of Iggsy Does It. I hope you found this helpful. I hope I saved you some money. Plumbers are expensive. It's a lot cheaper to go down to Bunnings, get what you need and do it yourself. So yeah, thanks for watching my DIY channel. Please subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thank you.